Alright, so this is static fire gal. I don't know, but I'm having problems pronouncing my name. Static fire gal. Static fire gal. Whatever. So I'm gonna try to solve Starship's landing legs by, I know this is something crazy, but we're gonna be using Photoshop to solve that problem. So I'm not, just FYI, I'm not so good at Photoshop. I just know the basics. So okay, this is really crazy. Next is, damn, how do I deselect? Damn. Next is, this is the crazy part, is I'm going, should I use place? No, let me just open another image. So I just think that the Blue Origin new Shepard legs works better. I don't know. I know I sound crazy, but I just think that these legs are better than the Starship legs. So we are going to place Starship on top of these legs. So how am I gonna do that? Let us copy. Oops. There's two starships. Starships are meant to fly. Starships are meant to explode. Let me merge these layers. Oh gosh. Nope. Delete. I'm sorry, I'm messing up. So I'm going to copy Starship. That's what I want to do. Copy. And put it on top of the Blue Origin landing legs. I would probably, wait, I should probably delete Blue Origin in here. So let's use the lasso tool again. Okay. There you go. Will it let me delete it? Nope, because, oh yeah, it did. Okay. I should have copied the layer. Oh. I suck. Okay. Damn, just use the brush tool. So, Mr. Biryani, what do you think of my idea to put Blue Origin's legs, new Shepard?
I think it's very interesting.
It is. Do you think it would work? It will land safe?
The only way we can do it is test it.
Alright. Oh my goodness. It sounds so funny. Well, I'm not making fun of your accent. It's just, I don't know. You just sound funny.
It is my natural accent.
Okay. Copy this and paste it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is the craziest thing I've ever done in my whole life. Look, okay, Elon Musk, if you're watching this video, this will be the best solution.
I think it's the greatest merger going to happen.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm crying right now. It looks like a squid spider. Okay.
It looks very cost efficient.
Yeah. Okay. So I think these legs will make Starship land better. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, let's make it more beautiful. Hold on. Let me. Let's delete this and then let's put this over here. Shit. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Alright. I shouldn't have done that in the first place. I could have just moved it here. It's a mutant rocket. It has mutated. Should I make this bigger?
I think the size is okay.
This size is okay. What if we make this a bit bigger? Yeah. There. You think it will fly? There you go. That's Starship. StarShepard. It's StarShepard.
I'm not sure if the FAA will let this fly.
There's StarShepard for you. Let me save it. Let's save this project. Oh my goodness. And name it StarShepard. How do you spell shepherd? SHEPARD. Oh.
SHEPARD.
Okay, now we have a StarShepard. Okay, thanks for watching.
This is very stupendous.
It's a stupendous video.
Very ambitious. I like it.
Okay.